Mercedes redesigned the C-Class for the 2022 model year, and now the company is ready to introduce the AMG variants, starting with the 2023 Mercedes AMG C sedan. The styling changes Mercedes made to the standard C-Class get the AMG treatment on the 2023 C43. The styling doesn't deviate far from the previous C43, but the revamped design does feel fresh. The C43 wears AMG's Panamericana grille, which sits above a restyled lower front bumper that's a tad more aggressive than the C-Class standard face. Powering the new C43 is the electrified turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder M139L engine. It makes 402 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Power routes through AMG's 9-speed multi-clutch automatic transmission that sends power to all four wheels. The Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system splits the power 31 and 69% between the front and rear wheels. Mercedes designed the engine's turbocharger to reduce lag using technology derived from Formula One to integrate a 1.6-inch thin electric motor onto the turbocharger shaft. This allows the car to directly drive the shaft, accelerating the compressor wheel before exhaust gases take over. Mercedes says the sedan will reach 60 miles per hour in an estimated 4.6 seconds. Mercedes electronically limits its top speed to 155 miles per hour, which increases to 165 miles per hour when the car is equipped with the optional 19 or 20-inch wheels. 18-inch wheels are standard. Inside, the C43 adopts the model's redesigned interior, which took inspiration from the new Mercedes S-Class. However, Mercedes adds several sporty touches like the AMG seats, the flat-bottom AMG steering wheel, AMG Sport pedals, and red top stitching throughout the interior. Drivers get to look at a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, while an 11.9-inch center touchscreen provides access to the infotainment system and vehicle controls. Mercedes hasn't announced how much the 2023 C43 will cost. However, we expect the company to release those details closer to the car's on-sale date. The 2023 C43 will reach US dealers in late 2022.